Good morning everyone and welcome to Payne Falls Park, located just near Cleveland, Ohio. And it's a beautiful day, as you can see. Got a perfect blue skies here. And this park it's kind of a small local park here. And we just wanted to explore this local waterfall. It's a multi-tiered cascading waterfall. And as you guys can see here, the park is open from 6 a.m. to 11 p.m. So sit back and enjoy today's peaceful waterfall hike. There's my dad over there in the distance. All right, let's go down here and explore. There's a beautifully constructed walkway leading down to the falls. And this was only about an hour away from our house in Youngstown, Ohio. I think it's less than a half hour from Cleveland too. Less than probably 25 minutes. As you can see, there's no one here, so we have the whole place to ourselves. Perfect day to film. And I'm also gonna take the drone up for the first time this year. But it's finally spring. The trees are going to start coming back to life now. And here's the beautiful waterfall. Look at this. This is amazing. Just gorgeous. Isn't it gorgeous? There's also a beautiful bridge in the background we drove over. Look at this. All right, that was absolutely incredible, guys. I am super impressed by this waterfall. Now I'm gonna try to go down over here and get some different perspectives. Let's go take a look at this angle too. I bet this would be gorgeous during the fall. Alright guys, so we're going to walk to the other side across the bridge, and we're going to try to get down to the base of the waterfall. All right, so we are now walking down towards a narrow bridge. And hopefully this is going to give us a nice perspective of the waterfall, kind of like an overhead shot. There's a lot of birds up there too, as you can see in the air, stalking some prey. There's a little lookout spot over there that we just came from. Just a picture perfect day. And it's only in the low 40s right now. So now we're gonna go and travel over in this direction and then walk all the way down to here. All right, guys, we made it to the bridge. This is the Grand River Watershed, a part of Lake Metro Parks near Cleveland, Ohio. Just gorgeous. All right, guys, let's make our way to the bottom of the gorge. All right, I finally made it down here into the gorge. Look at this. There's a beautiful little river over here I want to go take a look at. Uh-oh. You can see those tracks down there. Be crazy if I saw a bear. Oh my gosh, there's a waterfall down here. It's all the way down over there. Look at this. I found my own little piece of paradise. There's another one down there. Look. Oh man, I gotta go check that out. All right, guys, so we discovered, looks like a rock house over here. And as you can see, beautiful views of the river. I really like this place. Go take a look what this is. It's like an old rock house or something. Pretty cool. Really interesting. There's also a waterfall down here. We're getting a little bit closer. All right, we finally made it to the base of the river. Let's go and explore this little waterfall over here. This is just gorgeous. I love these rocks. These rocks are beautiful here. You kind of have to maneuver your way around here. Jeez. I love this.
Did you say you saw the picture? In the video?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Our second little waterfall here along this river hike. Just gorgeous. One of my favorite trails of this year. All right, now we're gonna end up back where we started. So this was an amazing little trail. This is going to give us a different perspective at the bottom of the falls. There we go. Wow, look at that. So powerful. All right, let's go get a closer look. Thank you guys for watching today's hiking adventure, and stay tuned for more content coming soon.